Hi, I'm Auri Katarina, and today I will be taking you with me to clean this lovely home. Here we have so much filth and stains, which I really love, because the dirtier, the better. But the story behind this home is not so lovely. The house owner was over 30 years old man. He was really in trouble with his depression and money problems. Luckily, his sister approached me and asked for my help, cause their brother didn't even let them come to visit him. When I saw those pictures of his home, I was so excited. My lovely follower came to help me, and she was super sweet, and we had fun cleaning day together. Her comments later, how the day went. First, we collected all the trashes. A lot of pizza boxes. These dishes were really moldy. Then I found a cabinet full of pickle juice jars. At least I think it was pickle juice. I don't know what this is, but I love it. One of the best things I have ever cleaned. Woohoo! Scrub Mommy is ready to die! If you have a really dirty microwave, try use oven cleaner. Spray it and leave it there for at least 10 minutes. If the dirt is really stuck in there, try using a steel daddy. That looked like dried cheese. The fridge smelled really bad, and this man didn't have a lot of food that would have been eatable. Again, oven cleaner. I use oven cleaner because it removes grease really effectively. Its pH is 12, so it's heavily alkaline product. Dishwasher's pH is only 7 or 8. The brown dots on this door are from fruit flies. They leave brown stains behind on doors and windows. There was a lot of cans, leftover pizza, trashes and cardboard on the floor. Almost all his clothes were full of dust, because they had been in a closet for many years. This man's friend came to help, and they carried away all the furniture, because the man wanted to have a fresh start. He had also purchased a new bed.